Good afternoon, children. The next concept, limit and derivative. L f of x, left hand side, left limit x, left f of x at x equal to a limit x tends to a minus. Left means minus, right means a plus. F of x is known as left hand limit of f of x at x equal to a. Similarly, or right of f of x at x equal to a means limit x tends to a plus of f of x. This is called right hand limit. Now, existence of limit means if f of x, limit x tends to a f of x exists if and only left limit and right limit will be equal. The algorithm of left hand side limit is a working way. Left hand limit, you know, L. That means what? Limit x tends to a power minus 1 into f of x. That means what? A minus mean put x equal to a minus x. For right hand side, right hand limit means what? A plus you know, of a plus x into. That is what? Next one is right hand side. The left hand side. A minus. Right hand side a plus into. The x always positive. Replace x by a no. Leave x by a is what? X is a means h comes this side. H equal to a minus a. That is 0. H is 0. Therefore, obtain now replace inside x tends to a become h tends to 0. Inside x is what? A minus x. Means f of x a minus. Now to find this one, we can answer. Replace x by a minus x and afterwards substitute x equal to we get answer. This is called left limit. Right limit means a power plus will come. Here a plus x will come. Here x is 0, a plus x will come. The same thing, only plus will come. Am I correct? By using this idea, two examples are there. Two concepts, continuous and differentiable. More or less same concept. Important 5 more concept. So small idea, left, right, that's all. By using this idea, now example problem 5.14, evaluate the left hand and right hand limits of the function. F of x is given. If it is x not equal to 3, this is the answer. F of x is this one. If it is x to 3, this is the answer. At x equal to 3 is given. What is the answer? Left hand limit of f of x at x equal to 3. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 3 minus of f of x. This is the formula. Now what I told you? Replace x by 3 minus x. Am I right? Replace. Am I right? Limit f of 3 minus 1. 3 minus f of 3 minus x. Limit is what? X tends to 0. Am I right? This is the meaning. Replace x by 3 minus x. X tends to 3 no? X tends to 0 will come. Always x tends to 0 will come. Am I right? Now, f of 3 minus x means replace x by 3 minus x. Substitute here 3 minus x. 3 minus x minus 3 modulus. Here also 3 minus x minus x. Am I right? Now, limit x is 0. Here, but it is minus x cancel. Modulus of minus x by cancel no? Only minus x. Am I right? Modulus of h is what? Only x. Because only possible. H by minus x. Cancel. Minus 1 will come. Now no h, no minus 1 is answer. The left limit of f of x at x equal to 3 is what? 3 minus 1 is answer. Am I right? Similarly, right hand side limit of f of x at x equal to 3 equal to the same thing. Limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. But replace x by 3 plus x here x tends to 0. Now apply the limit x tends to 0 f of 3 plus x is only again. The x is what? 3 plus x minus 3. Here 3 plus x minus 3. Now what is the answer? Limit x tends to 0 cancel no? Only modulus of x. Here also only x. Modulus of x is what? Only x. Cancel no? 1. There no h. Suppose h is 1, we replace x with 0. No h, there is 1. Therefore, right hand side limit of f of x at x equal to 3 is 1. Left hand side of this one is what? Minus 1. This is called left limit and right limit. Suppose the same concept, next exercise, exercise problem, the left limit and right limit will be equal mean it is continuous at x equal to 3. Suppose not equal mean it is not continuous at x equal to 3. That's all. Verifying whether the following is continuous at 3 or not is asking me the same thing. Left hand side limit, right hand side limit at x equal to 3. Suppose both are should be equal mean it is continuous at x equal to 3. Suppose it is not equal to this particular problem not continuous at x equal to 3. That is the answer. Very simple concept. That's all. Now next question. Verify the existence of the function f of x equal to 4x minus 4 if 0 less than or 1. 4x square minus 1 if x 1 less than x less than 2 at x equal to 1. Now what I told you, find the left hand side. You will find left and right. Both will be equal means their existence. That's all. That's what I ask you. Existence asking me left and right you will find. Now here 1 minus f of x. Am I right? F of x means what is here 1 minus x. Am I right? 1 minus x. So 1 minus means 1 minus means below. 1 below is what? This is the interval. But the corresponding one is what? 5x minus 4. Limit x tends to 0. 5 into 1 minus x minus 4. Am I right? Now simplify. 5 minus 5x minus 4. Now replace x is 0. 5 minus 5 into 0 minus 4. That is only the answer. Am I right? First answer what? Limit right hand side limit of x equal to 1 equal to limit x tends to 1 plus of f of x. The same thing only. Limit x tends to 0 of f of 1 plus x. 1 plus x, that means what? More than 1. 1 plus means plus r is somewhere now 1 plus x. More than 1. The corresponding is what? This one. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 of 4 into 1 plus x square minus 3. Am I right? Now replace x. 1 plus 0. X is 0 now? Minus 3. 1 square 1 only. 1 only. Am I right? Therefore, what is the answer? Left hand side of x equal to 1 equal to right hand side of x equal to 1. This will be equal. Therefore, what answer? Therefore, the answer is what? Limit x tends to 1 of f of x is equal to 1 is the answer. Together, left and right will be equal now. That's why exist at the exist only asking now. This is exist. This is exist and equal to 1. That's the answer. Exist are not only asking no. Exist. Both are exist because both will be equal. The same method. Left limit, right limit. That's all. Now listen here. The what is given? At x equal to 2 is given. About to find the f of 2. First one. The left limit of f of x at x equal to 2. You will find. Right limit of f of x at x equal to 2. You will find. All three answers will be equal mean it is continuous at x equal to 1. X equal to 2. Otherwise, at least any one of the part is not equal mean not continuous. Very, very important. You will find directly f of 2. Directly f of 2 means what exactly? Limit x tends to 2 of f of x. That is called f of 2. Am I right? So all three answers will be equal mean automatically it is continuous at x equal to 2. Otherwise, not continuous. That's why first I am finding limit x tends to 2 of f of x. Equal to what? F of 2. Now, clearly given at x equal to 2 means f of x is what? 0 is the answer. Mind it, don't put f of 2 here. 2 square minus 2, 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 0, but 0 by 0. Mean this. This f of x when using only not equal to. Other than 2 means by using this f of x. Am I right? If it is exact 2 means by using f of x value 0. That's why limit is x tends to 2 of because x is 2 given. F of x means replace x by 2 f of 2. f of 2 means the value is 0. First answer over. Now I am finding left and left limit. What is left limit? L of f of x at x equal to 2 is asking. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 2 minus of f of x. Now what I told you? 2 minus 3, replace x by 2 minus x. H tends to 0 automatically. Now, the 2 minus means what? Below 2. X factor 2 means 0. The below 2 above 2 means not equal to know this f of x. Am I right? But replace x by 2 minus x here. But limit x tends to 0 of the x square minus 4. X is 2 minus x whole square minus 4. Denominator is what? Again 2 minus x minus 2. Am I right? The 2 to cancel. Now it is also a minus b whole square. Limit x tends to 0 of a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 by minus x. Now this will be cancelled. Am I right? In numerator, what is common? H is common. H minus 4 by minus x. This will be cancelled. Now replace x by 0. 0 minus 4 by minus 1. That is 4. The second answer. Therefore, limit of left limit of f of x from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, left limit of f of x at x equal to 2 is not equal to f of 2. Okay? That's why f of x is not continuous at x equal to this answer. And you can find right answer limit. Right limit. Because this will be not equal. That's why this is not equal means f of x is not continuous. If it is this also equal and also find r of f of x, that is right limit of f of x. All will be equal means it is continuous. That is the idea. Very important concept. 5 mark concept. The first part, the second part. Directly apply the limit, then left to right. Here, directly apply the limit f of 2, no. F of 2 and left limits are not equal. That's why not continuous. That's all. Now second subdivision, exercise 5.3, first question, second subdivision, f of x is equal to x square minus 9 by x minus 3 if x not equal to 3, 6 if x equal to 3 and x equal to 3. Now limit x equal to 3 of f of x is what? F of 3. F of 3 means what? At x equal to 3, x equal to 3 means the corresponding is what? 6. That is the answer. Need not suffer here, direct with the answer. Am I right? Now left limit of f of x is 3 and 3 is equal to 3 minus f of x. Here what? 3 minus x. Now replace x by 3 minus x. 3 minus x whole square minus 9. Here again 3 minus x minus 3. Here limit h tends to 0. Am I right? Now by using the formula 3 cancel. Limit h tends to 0 of 9 plus x square minus 6x minus 9 by minus x. Am I right? This will be cancelled. Now in numerator, h is common. What is the answer? H minus 6 by minus 1 minus x. H gets cancelled. Now replace h is 0. 0 minus 6 by minus 1. That is 6. The second answer. Similarly, right limit of f of x at x equal to 3 equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x. But limit h tends to 0 f of 3 plus x. 3 plus 3 plus x. Now the same thing, replace x by 3 plus x. So 3 plus x whole square minus 9. Here 3 plus x minus 3. Again when use the formula 9 plus x square plus 6x minus x. Only x. In numerator h is common. Take outside h into h plus 6 by x cancel. Now h is 0 no? 0 plus 6 is 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3 left limit of f of x at x equal to 3 and right limit of f of x at x equal to 3 equal to f of 3. All three also be equal. Therefore f of x is continuous at x equal to 3. This is the answer. You got a 5 question? You will find the 3 steps. After as all 3 steps will be equal, it is continuous. Otherwise not continuous. Listen here. Modulus of x. This is a question, right? Now this answer is, if f of x is modulus of x, modulus of x means if it is positive, theta equal to 0. Negative means less than 0. This is it. Now at x equal to 0, first step, limit x tends to 0 of, am I correct? F of x is equal to f of 0. F of 0 is what? X. 0 only. Am I correct? Theta equal to 0 and f only this value. X. V base x by 0, 0. That's the answer. Now left limit of f of x at x equal to 0. Am I correct? But limit x tends to 0 minus of f of x. Here limit x tends to 0 of, what is the answer? It's 0, 0 minus x. Am I correct? 0 minus x. By x minus 0 minus means what? Below 0. Below 0 this is. So minus x is what? Minus x. Am I right? This one you can't change. One more step. F of minus x. Now f of minus x. This actually 0 minus below 0. Below 0 means the f of x corresponding is minus x. That's why here, what is the answer? Again limit x to 0 of f of x means minus x. F of minus x means minus of minus x. About plus x, h is 0. 0 is the answer. Second question. Mind it, here f of x equal to minus x. Now write off f of x at x equal to 0 implies limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 of 0 plus x. Here 0 plus h also h only. Now again plus more than only positive now. Only h only will come. Therefore here f of x equal to only x. So 0 is the answer. Am I right? From 1 to 3. From 1 to 3. Let of f of x at x equal to 0. Write off f of x at x equal to 0. And f of 0, all answers will be equal. That's why f of x is continuous at x equal to 0. This is the answer. Please, one part wrong means not equal means not continuous. They are all 3 parts will be equal. That's why x equal to 0. This continuous. Now example 5.27. Show that f of x equal to 2 values are given. Now continuous at x equal to 1 is asking. Very first step, limit x tends to 1 of f of x equal to f of 1. F of 1 means a less than irregularly 1 include. The corresponding value is what? F of x is equal to 5x minus 4. By using this f of x, replace x by 1. 5 into 1 minus 4. 5 minus 4. What is the first answer? Am I right? Now left limit of f of x is equal to x equal to what? Am I right? Is equal to limit of x tends to 1 minus of f of x. Limit x tends to 0 of f of 1 minus x. Previous 0 is there. 0 minus x only minus x. But here 1 minus means 1 minus x. Now again 1 minus means what? Below 1. Below 1 means this f of x. Again. Well, limit x tends to h to 0 of here 5x 1 minus x minus 4. Here also since f of x equal to 5x minus 4. So simplify, then apply the limit. 5 minus 5x minus 4. Again here 5 minus 4 1 minus 5 into 0 5x. Now apply the limit. 1 minus 5 into 0. Am I right? Only 4. This is the answer. Similarly, right hand limit of f of x at x equal 1 is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus f of x. Now limit x tends to 0 of 1 plus x. 1 plus x means what? Above 1. The above 1 means by this idea. So 4 into 1 plus x whole cube minus 3 into 1 plus x. Am I right? Now replace x is 0. 4 into 1 plus 0 whole cube minus 3 into 1 plus 0. 1 cube 1 only. 4 into 1 minus 3 into 1. There 1 is the answer. Again from 1, 2 and 3 left limit of f of x is equal to 1 and right limit of f of x at x is 1 equal to f of 1. Therefore, f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. This is the answer. You got a problem? This model. Next question, 5.28. Verify the continuity. Verify asking me whether this function is continuous or not continuous. The previous model show that it is continuous means all three answers should be definitely be equal. But here may be equal or not equal. Mind it. Now x into 2 is given. अब x tends to 2 of f of x is what? F of 2. F of 2 means this one is equal to 2. By using this f of x is what? 2 plus x. That's important. Now 2 plus 2, that is 4 is the answer. This is the first answer. Now left limit of f of x at x to 2 is 2 minus f of x. Now x is 0 of 2 minus x. Now again below 2, no, 2 minus below 2, where to be this f of x? 2 minus x. Now 2 minus x is what? 2 minus x. Multiply 2 minus 2 plus x. Am I right? This will cancel. Now x is 0, this 2. By chance from 1 and 2, left limit of f of x at 2 and f of 2 are not equal. Therefore, f of x is not continuous at x equal to 2. That's all. This answer. Continuous or not continuous, very important. 5%. Only limited number of problems are there. Thorough well. Today that's all.